Days like this is exactly why you should add a little bit of day trading to your long term portfolio. These are the type of gains that you can get in one day in several hours, which would take a normal portfolio maybe a decade or more, maybe 20 years for some of these gains. Now, you're not going to get these gains all the time, nor are you going to be playing with the type of money that you would have in a long term portfolio. But when the market is moving in your favor, which isn't every single day, sometimes the market stays in a tight range, but when the market is actually breaking out in a direction, you can have crazy gains like we had today inside of my Discord. The best investors, they use a little bit of day trading alongside their long-term portfolio in a way that protects them and even grows their account. Let me explain. If I have a long term position in a company like NVIDIA, there should be times where I want to run some puts, which means you make money when the stock market goes down in the opposite direction of my portfolio. That way, if there is a rotation out of tech, then I'm making money on my option contracts while my regular portfolio may be taking a hit. That is the best way to protect your portfolio, which is why I encourage people to trade if they already have a long term portfolio in place. I don't want you coming and joining and trading with me unless you already have a long term port, because then, with not having much experience, trading is going to be not much different than sports betting. Yes, you can hit some licks, but you're not going to know your risk management and things of that nature. So your results will be up and down, inconsistent, highs and lows. But when you have a long-term portfolio and you run options against it, even if your option that you're running against your portfolio doesn't work out in your favor, you're still good because your portfolio is increasing. And when your portfolio is decreasing and the options that you're running against that, they're going to help lift your portfolio or help maintain the damage to your portfolio because your options are running in your favor.
They got a mic, turn to a million, then we all rich. That's just
Shouldn't you be working? What happened to your dreams, your goals, your ambitions? Don't you want your life to look like this? I just started learning how to trade options and am up over $30,000 in the past week alone. It's not too late to start. If you need help, I got you.